Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Sienna, formerly known as Sienna Plantation, located in Missouri City, Texas. Now, the builder we're going to view today is Chesmar. Now, the model is called the Sawyer. Now, the Sawyer is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath home. It is a little over 1,900 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the high $400,000 mark. Now, the thing about the Sawyer, it does come with the game room, what most people do need, a study, and it also gives the owner's suite that option. If you do not want a tub, this particular builder will remove the tub and give you a larger shower. So I know some people prefer showers like me, and I would prefer a larger shower than a tub and a shower combo. Now let's go ahead and take a quick tour, but before we do, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking this tour of this beautiful Chesmar home located in Sienna. Now, if you have a question regarding this builder, this model, or any other real estate question, like always, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. And if you have not done so already, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Thank you so much again for watching. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.